how to withdraw money from crypto wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw money from crypto wallet. So in order to withdraw money from crypto wallet, it's a very simple process. Make sure that your account is verified, and then to begin with, go ahead and tap the crypto icon located right at the bottom. Then you'll have to go ahead and select the crypto wallet. Since you have to sell a cryptocurrency, then you can only deposit the funds or withdraw the funds. So you have to go ahead and select the cryptocurrency as well that you wish to sell. Once you're done selecting an asset, next you'll have to go to the same page where you need to go ahead and tap the icon located right at the bottom, and here you need to go ahead and tap on fiat wallet instead of crypto wallet. So after you click the fiat wallet, then it's going to ask you to enter in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw. You also need to enter in or link the bank account where you actually want to withdraw, and click the withdraw button located right at the bottom. As soon as you've done that, confirm the withdrawal process and review all of the information submitted, and within 2 to 3 business days you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully withdrawn money from crypto wallet. So in that way you can withdraw money from crypto wallet. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.